Hello mommies, this is again your mommy Cora and welcome back to my channel. I want to share to you this time how to make affordable and easy way cooking lychee plant for business. Ingredients: 30 pieces of egg, 10 pieces of calamansi, 10 cans of evaporada, any kind, 2.5 kilos of brown sugar. We use brown sugar here because this is for business. Condensed milk, not necessary. If you like. Put all the ingredients together, mommies, in a container or in a Tupperware and make sure that it is very well mixed. Put a little bit of salt. Put the calamansi and then mix well. If you're not contented with the sweetness, just add 1 can of condensed milk instead of sugar. And then mix well. Mix and mix until all the bubbles are gone, and then if you see that it is already tender or already smooth, then that's the time that stop mixing. After mixing, we will strain. Use a strainer or you can use a piece of cloth so that all the hard thing will be separated. Set aside. And we go on preparing our llanera with a syrup. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar in 1 llanera. Put in heat until the sugar is cooked, and make sure, mommies, that the color of the sugar is only brown. The perfect way of making syrup for lychee plant. You see, mommies? Make sure that the llanera is already warm before putting the liquid or our mixed lychee plant. The size of or the measurement of lychee plant, it depends on the one who is cooking. We use 2 layer of steamer so we can save time at the same time gas. The water is only just in the middle of the steamer. And when it is already boiled, that's the time to put the lychee plant. Make sure that it is really boiled. Anyway, mommies, this is really the one who shared to us how to make lychee plant in a cheapest and affordable and a very delicious one. My Kumaring Oring. Kumaring Oring, thank you so much for sharing to us your ability of cooking lychee plant in a different way. You see, mommies, in this video, she didn't use plastic or foil to cover the llanera. So, instead, she put cloth in the cover of the steamer so that the water will, the cloth will sip the water instead of getting down here in our lychee plant. Sorry, mommies, for my English, just only practicing speaking English. Oh, you see, mommies, the color is very attractive and very sweet, very delicious. Point your finger so that you can know or you can feel if it is already cooked. Gerald, this is now our sweet, smooth, tender, and delicious lychee plant. Before putting the lychee plant in the refrigerator, make sure that it is covered with plastic or foil. Hope you like my videos for today. Thank you for watching. O sa nakikita nyo mga mamis, hindi nagtubig yung lychee plant. Wala siyang tubig o wala man lang siyang pawis. Kaya napakagandang style na ganito. Tipid po kayo sa foil at tipid sa plastic. Gamitan nyo na lang ng cover yung takip ng steamer. O mga mamis, kung gusto naman natin magluto ng kaunti lang, mga 10 egg lang, pwede natin i-adjust yung ingredients. Alam naman natin mga mamis, tayo matatalino. Kwentahin na lang natin kung ano kadami yung ingredients na ilalagay natin. At basta tatandaan po natin, pagkulo, bago natin ilalagay yung leche flan. At atin pong kuveran. Pwede na rin pong walang tela o pwedeng meron. Nasa sa inyo po kung alin pong susundin ninyo doon sa ating itinuro ng aking kumare. Orasan po natin, 30 minutes hanggang 1 oras. Pero kailangan pong i-check pa rin natin kung luto na. Jeron! O you see mga mamis, kitang-kita nyo sa texture kung gaano kasarap ang leche flan. Pagluto na, lalagyan na natin ng plastic isa-isa at pwede na natin ilagay sa ref. Hope you like my videos for today. Thank you for watching.